Good morning student. In previous video we have completed up to question number 3. Today in this video I am going to take some question from same exercise 2.6. Here I take question number 4. Question number 4 is given, find the average of 4.2, 7.4 and 8.8. We know to find out the average, here we do the sum of all the observation divided by number of observation. Okay, three decimal numbers are given there and you have to find out the average of these numbers. Okay, therefore average is equal to 4.2 plus 7.4 plus 8.8, sum of given numbers. Now total how many numbers are there? 3 numbers are there, therefore here we have to divide by 3. Addition of these 3 decimal number is equal to 20.4. It is divided by 3. If we divide 20.4 by 3, then here we get the answer 6.8. And 6.8 is the average of these numbers. Okay. Now see the next question. Question number 5. Convert as directed. Okay. First question is given. Here we have to write 425 centimeter into meter. Okay. Let's recall the table. You know this table. At the middle, there is meter, gram and a liter. This is the basic unit. On the right hand side of the basic unit, here D means deci, centi and this is milli. There deca, hecto and a kilo. Therefore, if you have to write the decimeter, it means you have to write here m. If you have to write the decigram, then you have to write g here. Okay. When you convert the unit from left to right, okay, from kilo to hecto or decal or deci, centi or the milli, then what you have to do, you have to multiply. Okay, if you have to write the unit from right to left or convert the unit from right to left, from what is milli to centi or centi to deci or deca, hecto or kilo, then you have to do the division. Okay, now see the question, 425 centimeter into meter. Here we have to write 425 centimeter. This is the centimeter. Okay, if you write meter here, this is centimeter. Centimeter here we have to write into the meter. This is the meter unit. Okay, this means here we go from right to left. Right to left, in that you have to do division. Now from centi to meter, centimeter to meter. How many place here we are going? 2 place. Therefore here we have to do division, because right to left we are going. By how many? By which number? That is 100, because 1 is followed by 20, because 2 place we are going here. Okay. Therefore 425 centimeter is equal to 425 divided by 100. Do you understand? Why we divide by 100? Okay. Then after division, and this is centimeter, we write as a meter here. 425 divided by 100. When we divide by 100 or 1000 like that numbers, then we have to shift the decimal point how many digit? According to the number of 0 followed by the 1. 20. Okay, to the which side? Left hand side. Therefore after 2 digit here we put the decimal point. Therefore here we get the answer 4.25 meter. Okay. Now see the next example. 5050 gram into kilogram. Gram to kilogram. Gram to kilogram. Right to left, according to this rule, we have to do the division. Gram to kilogram, how many place we are going? 3 place. Therefore here we have to divide by what? 1000. Okay. Therefore 5050 gram is equal to 5050 upon 1000 kilogram. Okay. Now according to rule, here division by the 1000, therefore here we have to put the decimal point after 3 digit, 1 2 3. Therefore here we get the answer 5.050 kg. We can write 5.05. There is no need to write that last 0. Okay, 5.05 kg. This is the answer. See one more question. Here it is given 5.07 liter into milliliter. Where is liter? There is a liter. Liter into the milliliter. Okay, liter to milliliter. From left to right. Left to right, what we have to do? Multiplication. Therefore, how many digit here we are going? 1. How many place? 1, 2, 3. Therefore, by 1000 here we have to multiply, because here we have to convert liter into the milliliter. Clear? Therefore, 5.07 liter is equal to 5.07 multiplied by 1000. Okay? Then it is converted into milliliter. Okay? While multiplication with the 1000, you have to shift the decimal point to the right hand side according to the number of 0 followed by 1. 3 place here we have to go. Okay, right hand side. Therefore 50, this is 1 place 2 and again 0 here we have to take. Therefore 5070 milliliter. This is the required answer. Okay. In this way you have to complete the remaining question or remaining example of this question number 5. Okay. Remember this table. To the right hand side multiplication, to the left hand side division. Okay, how many place we are going, according to that you have to do the multiplication and the division. Clear, student? Okay, now see the next question. Question number 7, sorry, question number 6. Question number 6 is given, answer the following. If 1.4 multiplied by 1.6, product is given 2.24, then from this here we have to find out 2.24 divided by 14. Here we have to find out the answer of 2.24 divided by 4. Here we see the number 2.24 is there, 1.4 same digits are there, decimal points are at different place. Okay, to solve such type of the question, first you write this question in this form. Okay, here we transfer the 1.4 here, it will come in division. Therefore 2.24 divided by 1.4, then what is remaining here? 1.6. Okay, now what we have to find out here? Division of 2.24 by 14. Clear? That is, we write this division as 2.24 divided by 1.4 is equal to 1.6. Okay, as it is. Then, but in this question divisor is 14, not 1.4. Numerator 2.24 as it is there. Therefore, here we have to write 1.4 as 14. Therefore, we have to multiply 1.4 by 10. Okay. Therefore, here we multiply by the 10. Then on the left hand side, same method you have to do on the right hand side. Therefore, 1.6 here we divided by 10. Okay. Then 2.24 divided by 14 is equal to 1.4 into 10 is what? 14 is equal to 1.6 divided by 10. Here we get 0.16. Okay, shift the decimal point to the left hand side while doing the what? Division, and for multiplication to the right hand side. Therefore 2.24 into 14, here we get answer 0.14. This is the required answer. Okay, in this way you have to complete the B example from question number 6. Okay, same way you have to complete. Okay, see the next question, question number 7. Word problem is given, question number 7. The cost of 12 fan is rupees 9255.60. Find the cost of each fan. See, cost of 12 fan given 9255.60. Here we have to find out the cost of each fan. Therefore, here I write cost of one fan is equal to, what we have to do here? Division for that. Okay. Therefore, 9255.60 is divided by 12. Now here I do the division in rough. Okay, 12 sevens are 84, 92 minus 84, here we get 8. Okay, then here we take 5, then again 12 sevens are 84, here we get 85 minus 84, that is 1. Then again here I take next number, that is 5, 15, then 12 ones are 12, remaining is 3, then next number after decimal point, that is 6. Therefore here I put the decimal point. Then 15 minus 12, this is 3, and here I take the 6 after decimal point. Therefore here I put the decimal point. Then 12 3 is a 36. 36 minus 36, here we get 0. Last number 0, we can put the 0 here. Okay. Then what is the answer here? 771.30. Okay. This is the cost of the one fan. 771.30. This is the required answer. Okay, now note down your homework, student. Question number 8 and question number 9. Okay, these two questions are the homework for you. This is all for today, student. Thank you very much. Thank you.